Hi, welcome to my sailing channel. This is Arlen Rosenoff, and this is my new to me Freedom 28 sailboat. Finally got some wind. Yay. Got 11 knots of wind, short choppy 2 or 3 foot waves, white caps, and great sailing. Okay, this is what to love about this boat. I'm going to tack the boat. And that's all the effort I got to put into it. I love it.
Sailing into the wind requires tacking, or zigzagging back and forth into the wind. In a traditional sloop, that means swapping the jib sheets and winching in the leeward sheet. When sailing solo, that often means to have to move forward of the wheel station to operate the jib sheets and winches. However, with a stay sail forward, it self-tacks, requiring no effort on the part of the helmsman. All right, prepare to tack. Tacking. Just saw a whale. Right there, right on the bicycle. God, he was right there. I heard him spout behind me. It's a gray whale.
Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the water.